Anna is from London, repeat with me. She is a doctor, hospital you see. Ali is from Cairo, Egypt's land. He is a teacher, school is grand. Clap when you hear is, verb to be. He is, she is, they are, sing with me. Vocabulary time. Picture means photo, married means together, now you know. Hospital is for doctors, school is for class. Center means the middle, repeat as we pass. Instruction for students, fill in the blank. Anna is from give thanks. David is an-ish, write it down. His school is in the center of town. Ask with what and where, practice today. What's her job? Where's his school? We say together.